Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now, so I've been having a lot of questions on the hardest pixelLab tool, and so far I've been getting three major tools of, let me say, features. Tools like Bezier, mask, and perspective. So I'm going to start with perspective. You see, in pixelLab there are two different types of perspective. The first one is the one you have when you have a shape. For example, let me show you. Let me bring in a shape. This is a shape. This here is a perspective. That's a perspective there. You can see it. That's the first one. Now the second one is basically when you have a 3D shape on. You can see the second perspective now. That comes. You have the second one here. So these are the two types of perspective, and they are not far from each other. So I'm going to be talking on the first one, which is this right here. I'll be talking on this now, and I'll be showing you how to use it comfortably, when you should use it, and what you use it for. So let's go. Now, to use the perspective shape, we will have to import something. This is what you do. You use perspective for an angle, to get angle of view. For example, I'm going to import an angle, maybe a post sign of some sort now. So we import this shape that we are going to use for whatever we want to do. Normally you can see this is a post sign that you can say pointing to a particular place and a particular place, which is not straight. So, and for example, you want to put something on this shape. You want to put, for example, a direction like go left, go right. Or it can even be you want to put an image. So let me bring in a shape. For example, you want to put a shape on this image exactly. How do you do it? For example, we bring in a shape. Let's bring the exact shape we have there, which is this. So how can I make this shape the same with this? If I do it like this, you can see I can't get anything. It can't be accurate as expected. You can see it can't be accurate. No matter what I do, I can't get that accuracy. You can see I can't get that accuracy. No matter what I do, I can't get that accuracy. So in order for me to get this accuracy here and here, I need to use perspective. So if you want to use perspective on this, how do you do it? Just go and lock the main image. Just lock the main image. Then you continue working on this. Why did you lock the main image? So that anything you touch on the main image does not move. You can see it does not move. But if you touch this, it moves. So it gives you that room to do whatever you want to do. So to get the accurate shape, you use perspective. Now let's go to our perspective tool. Set it enabled. Then you adjust according to the angles you have there. Just adjust it according to the angles there. Adjust. You can, if it is too small for you, you can decide to zoom. You can decide to zoom in to see clearer. Click just a little bit. Go back. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom out to see what we have done. So you can continue like this till you get the perfect size that you wanted. So now you can see the difference between what we used to have and what we have now. So this is what you basically use perspective for.